Welcome to LearnDaddy.com. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use fillet tool. So इस tutorial में हम सीखेंगे कैसे हम यूज करते हैं fillet tool को. So let's begin. So as you can see, हम previously जो हमने मॉडल तैयार किया था उसी मॉडल पे हम काम कर रहे हैं. So we prepared this model by using the tool pad and the remove multi-section solid. अब हम जो टूल यूज़ करने वाले हैं वो है फिलेट टूल. सो बेसिकली फिलेट टूल का यूज़ हम वहाँ करते हैं जहाँ हमें शार्प एजेस रिमूव करने हों. सो let's learn how to use it. So simply we can find this tool, simply go to main menu and sketch based dress up feature. So you can find the edge fillet, variable fillet, corner fillet, face to face fillet and try tangent fillet. So we are going to learn this one by one. So let's start with the face fillet. So as you can see, जब हमने क्लिक करा तो हमें एक डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर हुआ. Now we are going to see what we can do. So first of all, we are going to provide the radius, and now we are going to select the object. So we are simply going to select this edge. Okay, so more tangency and see the preview and press OK. So as you can see, we have create the fillet. Also you can provide the fillet to the face. Simply we need to select the face. I'm selecting this face, selected the whole. So let's select this one and OK, remove. Okay, select this and see the preview. Now as you can see, it provides the fillet to the face. So let's undo this one and see the other options that are provided in the fillet tool. So next fillet that we are going to learn, the variable radius fillet. Simply I am going to click on it. So as you can see, the dialog box has been appear. First of all, we are going to select the edge. So we are going to select this edge, and as you can see, in the variation there are two elements, or I can say there are 2 points. अगर हमें इनसे ज़्यादा पॉइंट चाहिए होंगे तो simply we have to select this one, and now we can add more points. Okay, so we can add more point according to us. Simply we can remove this simply by click on it, and there you see जो हमने पॉइंट बनाए थे वो डिलीट हो गए हैं. Simply we need to select the point. Okay, now let's provide the radius to them. Simply I'm going to double click on it. I'll provide the radius 20. Okay, same with this one, 20. Okay, and remaining one we will remain it to 5 and press. First of all, we are going to see the preview and press OK. Now as you can see, we have provided the variable radius. Now let's undo this one and learn our next tool. So the next fillet that we are going to learn, the chordal fillet. Simply we are going to click on it, and we are going to select this one and see the preview. Okay, so as you can see, this is how we use the chordal fillet. So let's undo this one, and the next fillet that we are going to use is face to face fillet. Simply we are going to select this one, and we are going to provide the radius. We are going to select the face. Okay, Now let's see the preview. Okay, let's okay. Now as you can see, we have provided the fillet to the face to face. Okay, let's do it one more time. We are going to select this face as this face. Simply press the OK. Now as you can see, it provides the fillet to the face to face. Okay, let's undo this one and see the next fillet, that is tri-tangent fillet. So let's see how we're gonna use this. Simply I'm going to select the face 1, face 2 and the face that we want to remove. Okay, I'm going to remove this face and we are going to see the preview. Okay, so this geometry is being complex, so let's see the other face. So that, okay, let's remove the other face. Okay, we are going to select this face and this face and we are going to remove this face. Okay, so let's see the preview and press OK. Now you will see this is how we use the tri-tangent fillet. So in this tutorial we have learned about the fillet and the types of fillet. So I hope you like this video and thank you.